Do you want to win a MacBook Pro and an iPad? Well, if so, all you have to do is tell us what you want to learn. Hey there, it's Tom Graham for Envato Tuts Plus, and usually I'd be here to teach you something, but today I think we're going to do it a little bit differently. I want to hear from you. But before we do that, have you subscribed to the channel yet? Well, if not, it's super easy. Just click that little red button down below. It says subscribe. Now, since we launched the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel back in 2011, we've created thousands of free courses ranging from things like Photoshop tutorials to in-depth web design courses. We've helped you learn how to create logos in Adobe Illustrator and how to color grade your footage in DaVinci Resolve, just to name a few. But now we're reaching out to ask what you want to learn next. Our talented instructors are standing by and they're ready to make your new favorite tutorial, so tell us what you want to learn. But what's in it for you? Well, I'm glad you asked. Apart from getting a new wave of top-notch free creative tutorials, we're giving away a stack of prizes, including a top-of-the-line, completely specced out content creators' dream lineup of Apple products, and of course a heap of subscriptions to Envato Elements, which has an extensive library of high-quality digital assets that you can download and use in your projects right away. So to get your hands on a brand new MacBook Pro with an M1 Max chip and a fully loaded iPad Pro with an Apple Pencil, make sure you click the link in the description below and fill out the survey today. We want to know what you want to learn. Good luck!